Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this and all the viewers. Today a question from Junior Math Olympiad. It is based on number theory. How to determine pair of integers m n satisfying square root of whole n plus square root of 2016 plus square root of whole m minus square root of 2016 belongs to a rational number. So let square root of n plus square root of 2016 plus square root of m minus square root of 2016 equals to a rational number, that is your r. So r belongs to rational number system. So now squaring both the sides, we will get n plus square root 2016 plus m minus 2016 plus 2 times of square root of n plus square root of 2016 whole multiply m minus square root of 2016 equals to r square. Now these two will be cancelled. So we'll get twice n plus square root 2016 multiplies m minus square root 2016 equals to r square minus m, or n plus square root 2016 m minus square root 2016 equals to half r square minus n. Now again squaring both the sides, multiplies equals to 1 by 4 n minus square. By this will get mn n square root 2016 plus n square root 2016 minus 2016 equals to 1 by 4 r square minus m whole square. N plus m minus n square root 16 equals to 1 by 4 r square minus m, or m minus n times 2016 square root equals to 1 by 4 r square minus m whole square minus mn plus 2016. Now 6 is not a rational number. What does it mean? It means that m minus n equals to 0 or m equals to n. In right side first, it will be 1 by 4, and putting m equal to n, I'll get r square minus twice n whole square plus m, so minus n square minus 2016, or square minus 2n whole square equals to n square minus 16. Let it be p square. Let n square minus 2016 equals to p square. Then I get 1 by 4 r square minus 2n whole square equals to p square, or square minus 2n equals to p, or this gives us r square minus twice n equals to 2p, or r square equals to twice n plus p. Now r square is a square of rational number, and also an integer. That means r square is a perfect square. So r square minus r square equals to your 2n plus 2p, or n plus p, and again it is n square minus 2016 equals to p square, or n square minus p square equals to 2016. So it can be written as n plus p multiplied n minus p equals to 2016. 2016 is a even number, so n plus p and n minus p both should be even. And n plus p must be greater than your square. Approximately square root is greater than 40. Let us factorize 2016. 2016 if we factorize, it gives 5 times 2 times 3 and 7. Now, applying our common sense, your for n plus p and n minus p, we get n plus p, and both are even, must be 72, and n minus p equals to 28. Get n equals to 50, and as n was equals to m, so that is equal to, here there is one solution for m and n, that is your find very interesting. Thank you for watching.